Hey guys, it's Tomatoda. Today I'm going to show you how I attach metal studs to polymer clay using UV resin. You might or might not know, but glue of any kind doesn't really work long term with polymer clay, unfortunately. But there are two methods that have worked pretty well for me when I make studded earrings, and one is embedding the stud into the polymer clay. It looks clean and it is sturdy, but it just takes a long time to do and I get tired of the process really quickly. So I prefer to do the second method, which is using UV resin. Here are my polymer clay earring pieces. They're all sanded down and cleaned up. I'm going to outline the shape on a piece of scrap paper, cut that out, and then use the stud to gauge where I want it to be on the earring and trace that, then cut a general hole. It doesn't have to be exactly the outline of the stud, I just need a little mark. Then, taking that piece of paper, I'm going to align it with the back of my earring and mark it with a marker. This is to help me place the ear studs more accurately or more consistently with each other. So it's optional. You can just freehand it, but I'm not good at that, which is why I need a place marker because it makes things less stressful. Next, I'm going to use a flat stick, put some double-sided tape across, and stick the earrings on it with the back side facing up. Then, with Gorilla Glue, I'm going to use a small dab just to temporarily secure the studs so that they don't move around while I do the UV resin process. Now, it's time to apply the UV resin, just enough to cover the entire back. Spread it all around, making sure that it encapsulates the base of the metal stud, and then flash cure it. I like to do a few at a time rather than the whole row because I don't want the UV resin to possibly drip if I take too long before flash curing it. Better safe than sorry. After the stick is completed, I'm gonna pop it into my UV lamp and cure it for the full time required. After time has passed, here they are fully cured. Remove everything from the stick and done! Here are my studs. You can see that they're pretty sturdy, and yeah, that's it. Hope this helps you guys in some way, and thanks for watching. Bye bye!